Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you 5 new features in PocketTube. Let's open the feed for the group. As you may know, YouTube recently released new rounded thumbnails for preview, and PocketTube already supports it. If you like old rectangle thumbnails, click the extension icon, enable it here, and refresh the page. Next feature, click Filter by Duration, and you will see a new custom option. Click on it, and you can set a time frame for videos at the top sidebar. Just filter your videos for any length you want. Click Play All to create a playlist for the videos. PocketTube provides a new context menu under any thumbnail, so you can easily add any to the playlist of any videos like on native YouTube. Let's click on the burger menu in the left sidebar, and now you can see groups here. Click on it, and you can manage your groups in full screen mode. Go to YouTube Deck. The columns will auto-collapse when you enable the option Hide Watched Videos and don't have any new unwatched videos. Let's click Mark as Watched for the videos, and you will see collapsed column. It uncollapsed when you get a new unwatched video or disable the filter. Join more than 2,000 people who've already supported us and unlock the full potential of PocketTube. You can save 15% if you select an annual plan. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the video with your friends.